Hi everyone, I'm Himanshu Talani and this is my init and automation. I have executed it. I'll show you the backend of the same. This is my Google Sheets from where all the information of the client is coming. Google Documents and the qualified disqualified information. This is the Slack channel of mine at 11 p.m. This is 11 p.m. and this is the last message was 15 minutes ago. This is the automation running and all the information has been set in the set node, and this is all the information which is coming from the Google Sheets. Yeah. So the automation is running now. We'll wait for a few minutes as it will take some time to run. As it is running, I'll tell you how this will be useful. This is a research assistant automation which will help you get the pre-sales document, research document about your client and their company. So the end result will be showing you all the information regarding the client and the company about what they do, what are their financials, what is their executives details, A to Z. 360-degree research would be provided to you at the end in the Google Documents. Let's wait for 30 more seconds to complete. As you can see over here, the last Slack message was 15 minutes ago, and Google Sheet was also not updated yet. So let's see how it will look like now. Right, so the automation is completed now finally. See, the new message comes as qualified, the company name, person detail, email address, company URL, and the booking time. What were their high green flags was high annual revenue, strong event portfolio, and the broad content ecosystem and audience channels. Then the red flags were no publicity was disclosed, funding rounds or total fundings, and only a generic contact email provided. Right, so this is whole information was come, and this is the final document as the company name was TechCrunch, so it has come over here. The business offerings are there, like what they do, everything. The news analysis, podcast, company highlights were for uh, about the news, then the revenue and performance, the revenues, employee count, founded in, and the technology stack as to what they are working on right now, their recent growth, and the executive bio, what their chief editor and everyone is doing. And in the Google Sheet, as you can see, the Google Doc link has been updated. And so now let's move into the automation. This is the Google Sheet from where we were taking the information of the client. We are setting the limit to 1, and we are putting the set field to capture all the details of the client. We are looping all the details for the workflow. I'll show you the sub workflow from where all this the output is coming. So yeah, let's get into it. Yes. Yeah. Right. So this is the first step from where the information with the website we are taking, company's website which we have. We'll check the health of the website. We'll check whether it is a DNS is present or not, whether the website is scrapable or not, whether it is a valid website or not, right? So if the website is allowed and we can scrape it, then we'll move forward with it. Okay, so all these steps are checking for all these informations, whether the DNS is present or not, and etc, right? Now we'll move forward with it, and if it is scrapable, then we will move forward with the Apollo data enrichment of the company, where we will find about all the informations related to the company, about the size, revenue, socials, keywords, etc, right? So all the information will be there. Then we'll move forward with the scraping of data from BrightData node. Over here we will scrape the data from BrightData. Then we will summarize it using the AI agent. Then we will um, we will extract all the links which are present in that homepage link, homepage scraped data. Okay, so all this information will be all the links will be scraped from there, uh, extracted from there. We'll categorize all the links into three categories as to about us, product, service, and financial information. For example, as you can see, and that will be done on the basis of this keywords. And as you can see, all the links are there, and as we can search about in the search bar, that link has been updated in that output also. So categorization will be done of all the links based on those categories. Then this AI agent will extract that particular relevant link from each categorization. We can get most relevant information. Okay, so if it is not found, then it will say not found also. So then if the link was present, then we will scrape that data. So this is for about us section. So we will scrape the data from BrightData node. Then we will summarize it, and then we'll this process has been all done for financial data about us, and then product and service also. So we are doing it for from BrightData. We were then we are cleaning all the data as we want to reduce the tokens into our AI agent, and then we will summarize the whole data into AI agent. If the link was not present, then as you can see, it was skipped, the whole process was skipped, and then we will set all the information in the set node as this will give us the output in our part 3 automation, as we had seen in the main automation, right? So whole output will be given over here. If the link was not scrapable, right, as you can see, we saw about the scrapability, but if it's not scrapable, then the information will move forward with from here. The AI agent will check whether the email have another domain, and it makes any other URL. This will check whether the new URL is scrapable or not. Okay, so if it is scrapable, then that information now again it is checking whole website's health about DNS, HTML, etc, etc, right? So now if it is scrapable again, then it will move forward with it. All these nodes are checking about for the website health. If it is scrapable, it is moving again up. It will do whole Apollo enrichment thing, and then again scraping off all the links and providing the data. But if it is not scrapable, right, the new URL is there but it is not scrapable, then it will formulate, this AI agent will formulate the content for the document, hold these content for the document about the error, like what was not available, what is available, etc, and then hold these nodes, these 5 nodes will change the data, HTML data, into markdown format so that our document is prepared correctly in the Google Sheet, and this will send to the Slack message as disqualified lead, as the information was not available. So this is sent, and whole this process is again repeated over here because the new URL was not there. So again the document will be prepared and disqualified message will be sent to the Slack. As soon as so this is the output. Now as soon as it is done, if it is disqualified, information is disqualified, then it will loop back again and the whole automation will stop. But if it is not disqualified, it is qualified, it will move forward, and then it will execute at another subflow, which is like this. Right, so yeah, so over here the AI agent will look for third party websites which will search for news, recent growths, etc. So here what we are doing is, as you can see, we are putting the link. Okay, we are adding the recent growth in the company domain and their recent growth as a search query, and as soon as it is done from the Google title, this result will come as in title, URL and snippet. Okay, all of this data will move to OpenAI. Okay, we are sending it to ChatGPT to analyze it and provide us most relevant URL which could be scraped from this news section. Right, from all those 10 URLs, one will be selected, and that will be again checked as whether it is a healthy website or not, whether it can be scraped or not. If it is scrapable, then it will move forward, otherwise it will be discarded. Okay, if it is so as this was scrapable, it went through the BrightData node and scraped the information, it cleaned the information, and then it summarized the information. Right, we will repeat the process for financial data. Okay, yeah, so in this AI agent we are again putting the similar sort of query for extracting the financial information through Google search. Now as you can see in this logs, okay, yeah, so in this URL we have put that we want to search for financial results of the TechCrunch. So this is the URL, we have searched it. We will now again check for the health of the website. Okay, whatever the information will come, the agent has selected one URL, we will pick it up and then again search for the health of the website. Now if the website was not found, then it would have skipped all the process, right, but over here it has found. We are doing again checking the health of the website. Now from this BrightData node, as every information has come, we will clean it using this node and then we'll send it again to the AI agent for summarizing all the information which has been scraped. Now we will move forward with LinkedIn data scraping. Here we are using BrightData's SERP module over here, where we will search in the Google in this query, where we will put first name, last name, then LinkedIn, and then domain of the company. It will provide us all the result over here like this. So it has provided us the title and everything. The AI agent will select one of the URL which is relevant to us. So this is the URL, as you can see. All the information from LinkedIn has been scraped. Then if the LinkedIn was not available, then this information would have been sent directly as not found, okay, through this set field. But as the information was found, our link was found, then that information was sent through the BrightData node to extract all the information through that link. Then again it will loop all the information as it has initiated in the BrightData's previous node. It was initiated that we want that information. In the next module, this is checking the status of whether it was extracted or not. When the status becomes ready, the loop ends and we move forward with it and we download the snapshot of the content. Snapshot content, okay, using that node. This is how all the information comes. Now let's move back to our main automation. This is the main module which will this AI module will help us formulate the content for a Google document, which will present us the complete overview, which will prepare the structured and formatted document for us. It will provide us in the HTML format. All these nodes will help us change it to the markdown format so that the document is prepared with all the structures and formatting, with complete formatting. Yeah, so this will give us clean Google document in the Google Drive folder which we want with the public view link. Okay, now we'll move forward again. LLM chain module. Now this will provide us the Slack message content. If the deal is qualified, it will move up, and if it is disqualified, it will move down. So as you can see, this is the Google Doc, and it shows us complete information related to the company, and this is the Slack message of saying qualified lead. So as it was qualified, it moved up, and in the Google Sheet it was all updated. Thank you.